Today I'm going to show you guys how to start up your Traeger grill. You may have forgot how to do it. It's been a few years since you've done it last, or you're new to the Traeger family. So we want to make sure you start it up properly every time. Make sure that the power switch is first off and plug your grill in. Also, you want to ensure that your hopper is full of pellets, as well as your RTD temperature probe, which is located on the left side of your barrel, is nice and clean. Now you're going to open the lid to your grill, turn the power switch on in your controller, and set the temperature dial to smoke. Should be about 4 or 5 minutes before the fire gets started and you hear that jet engine sound in your grill. At which point you'll just close the lid to your grill, set the temperature dial to your desired temperature, and you're off and Traegering. If you have one of our 2016 Pro Series grills with the new controller and the advanced grilling logic, you do want to make sure that you close the lid in the startup cycle within about 2 or 3 minutes, just because our new controllers fire up those grills a little bit faster. Make sure you do check out all the other videos on our website. You can also register your grill on TraegerGrills.com and give us a call at 1-800-TRAEGER if you do have any other questions. Traeger on.